Welcome to Howto, your tech learning hub. What's Howto all about? At Howto, we're passionate about simplifying the complexities of programming and web development. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn the ropes or an experienced coder seeking advanced tips and tricks, we've got you covered. Our tutorials are designed to be your step-by-step guide, helping you build practical skills and tackle real-world challenges. Explore the tech universe with us. Programming Demystified. Unravel the secrets of popular languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, and more. From the basics to advanced concept, we break it down for you. Web development wonders. Dive into the world of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. Craft stunning websites and web applications effortlessly. Master problem solving. Encounter a coding challenge? We're here to help you conquer it. Learn problem-solving strategies and techniques that will make you a coding maestro. Why choose Howto? Clear and concise tutorials. We believe in making learning enjoyable. Our tutorials are crafted to be easy to follow, ensuring you grasp concepts with ease. Real-world applications. Gain insights into practical applications of coding and web development. Our goal is to prepare you for success in the tech industry. Community-Centric Learning. Join our growing community of tech enthusiasts. Share your insights, ask questions, and connect with like-minded learners. Ready to level up? Subscribe now. Don't miss out on the tech journey of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a learning adventure together. Ready to code, create, and conquer? Welcome to Howto.